Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about one of the most anticipated Nike packs ever. We're talking about the Undefeated and Kobe 5 What If pack. I know you guys, probably seen videos of this, but I decided to, get my hands on a pair and do a review for you guys because I just wanted to bring it to the channel and let my audience get a look at these things, man, because this is a beautiful pack right here. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And also, if you guys want to cop any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch you see me wearing in these videos, just head straight over to the website P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Undefeated Kobe 5 What If pack. Let's get straight into the shoe. We're gonna do the right shoe first. On the toe box here, you have hunter green right here with gold going around here on the toe box. You have black coming up here on this side. You have a gold swoosh right here with a navy blue background. You have a clear sole right here, icy blue clear sole. Come over here to the back, you have more gold here with the Undefeated logo here. You have teal right here. Come over here to this side, you have more of the same. You have black, you have the gold swoosh, navy blue right here on the inside. You have the black little specks right here, it's like reptile-ish material right here. You come over here on the tongue, you have burgundy here. You have that gold right there. The gold, from what I understand, the gold is for the championship, career that he had when he won a lot of championships, won a lot of hardware in the NBA. You come over here to the back of the tongue, it says Undefeated. And on the insole, you have the 12 teams. I don't know if you guys can see that. You have the 12 teams right there that, picked other players instead of Kobe Bryant, So that was part of the reason why they made this pack, which makes a lot of sense. Let me grab the left foot. Here you guys go with the left foot. Alright, so let's start here. We have the navy blue toe box with the gold here. You slide over here. You have more of the black, like reptile-ish material here. You have a red background with the gold swoosh, which looks really, really clean. It looks clean on the red and the blue. That's on the other foot. We have navy blue here. You have green. You have the gold here with the Nike sign with the Kobe logo in the inside. Come over here, you have more navy blue, gold swoosh, red. Come on the tongue, you have a white tongue here. On the top of the tongue, you have the hunter green. You have the Undefeated thing in there. Then you also have Undefeated right here on the tongue. And the insole says Undefeated like on the white pair. This colorway here, this particular pair of the pack, I like this one, man. This one has a lot going on, but it also fits the overall look of the shoe, man. I've seen a lot of NBA players playing in these, through the restart of the NBA season. When the pack came out, a lot of people were playing in them. Anthony Davis comes to mind. He was wearing a lot of Kobe's throughout the whole restart season. And this is a clean pack. I love this pack, man. I like with the dedication that they took to Kobe's career and everything like that. I think they did a really, really good job with that on both pairs of the shoes. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys disagree or you think Undefeated did a great job, Nike Undefeated did a great job. Usually Undefeated does a great job with Kobe's period. Like they always get like the exclusive Kobe Bryant shoes that they get to make, and they always do a great job. And there's no difference here, man. This is a great pack. If you're able to get it, it's quite expensive, to get it now in the resale market, but it's quite expensive. And I just think you know, Nike did a great job, man, with the dedication of Kobe Bryant's career and his life. You know, I want to say rest in peace to his daughter and the other victims that passed away in the helicopter accident, man. Rest in peace to them, man. I know it's been a tough year in 2020, but we just gotta stay positive and just keep moving forward, man. But it's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to give this pair 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Tough shoe. Tough shoe. Might even be shoe of the year, man. This is a tough shoe. If you guys disagree, man, leave in the comments below. This is tough. I think Nike got it right with this one, man. Everybody got it right. Everybody involved, great job here, man. Yeah, man. 4.5 out of 5 pennies. If you disagree, leave in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.